In this AI Commission 2024 review, I am going to be showing you a massive discount on 10 AI apps that can help you create content and make money. Make sure you stay to the end of this review as I am going to show you a video that I made using one of the 10 AI apps. If you're new to my channel, my name is Vijay Koshi. I'm a 7-figure affiliate marketer. I do these reviews every single day so that you can get the best ideas about new websites, software and courses. If you want to get AI Commission 2024 at any time during this video, make sure you click the link down below which can give you my exclusive bonuses which I'm gonna be personally giving you if you end up buying through my link. Now let me show you my bonuses. So this is my bonus page. Before I show you my bonuses, I have got some instructions for you guys to get these bonuses. If you end up purchasing the front end of the AI Commission 2024, you can choose any of the 3 AI app that is mentioned here. But if you end up deciding to upgrade or have an upsell, you can again choose an additional of 3 AI apps. Now let's have a look at the bonuses that you can choose from. So the first bonus is the Traffic GPT, then comes AI Fresh, AI Cashflow, DFY AI, Instabank, Doc Dollars, Commission Blaster, Primo Profits, Affiliate Funnel Bots, then comes affiliate traffic bots, affiliate video bots, resell bots, and the last one is the traffic bots version 2. Now in order to access all these bonuses, you have to send the purchase receipt to this email right over here, and you can tell them that you bought the AI Commission 2024 and you can ask them to send the bonuses. Make sure you read all these instructions before buying the product. So in order to buy the AI Commission 2024, you can click the yellow button right over here in order to access the AI Commission 2024 along with my bonuses. Now let's have a look at the sales page. So it says here, insane swipe 10 AI apps at 96% discount when you cut and paste 10x GPT apps that banks $3,505 per day. So what the sales page is saying that these 10 GPT apps is banking them about $3,500 per day. But I personally don't believe the fact that they can make $3,500 per day. But I do believe that you can make amazing content with these kind of AI apps and make some money. But I don't believe you can make a lot of money with it. Now if you scroll a little bit down here, you can see all the 10 apps that you're going to be getting if you buy AI Commissions 2024. So the first product is the Vet GPT and the second product is the Passive GPT. Then comes 2Click AI. Then comes the fourth product which is Infinite AI. Then comes the fifth product which is AI Graphics with Diffusionator. Then comes the sixth app which is AI Commissions with ClickBank. Then comes Ultimate AI. Then comes Speak Up Profit which is a new course. Then comes Chrome Copy, Chrome Plugins. Then comes the eCover Genius. So you're going to be getting all these bonuses if you end up purchasing through my link. But if you want the bonuses, you're going to be getting 3 additional bonuses if you end up purchasing through my link. And if you decide to upgrade, you can get an additional of 3 bonuses. So you can get a total of 16 apps which you can use to create money. Now let me show you a video that I made using the AI Commissions 2024. And after you guys watch it, I'm gonna be showing you the different OTOs and upgrades.
Good morning, and we begin with some groundbreaking technology news that you don't hear every day. Chris X, a legendary affiliate marketer, has just turned the digital marketing world on its head. After generating a whopping $500,000 using AI, he's bundling all his top-selling AI tools. An unprecedented 96% discount awaits on the affiliate network Warrior Plus. It's a brief window of opportunity as this exclusive deal is only valid for a few days in January. Industry insiders and super affiliates are all over this, calling it the mega offer of the year. Could this be the transformation the affiliate marketing sector has been waiting for? All signs point to yes. And that's all we have time for today. Stay tuned for more updates.
I hope you enjoyed the video that I made. Now let's jump into the OTOs and upgrades. But before we jump into that, let's have a look at the price of AI Commissions 2024. So the price is at $15 to $23. It may vary. And the first upsell is the AI Commission 24 AI Pro, which is $47. And the second upgrade is the Best of 23 AI, which is $97. And the third upsell is the DFY website, which is $97. The fourth upsell is the Elite AI video suite, which is $97. And the upsell, which is 4th, 5th and 6th, it is gonna be costing you $97. So if you want to buy this AI Commission 2024, you can click the yellow button right here, which can give you access to the bonuses as well as the product. I hope you enjoyed this review of AI Commissions 2024. If you want to check it out, make sure you click the link in the description, and I hope to see you on another review video.